Good morning, it's Anne Pyrénées-Orientales. Behind me there's Saint-Michel de Cuxa. For those who are who have a bad condition, I mean physically, you can visit Saint-Michel de Cuxa because as you can see I'm parked over here and right over there she is. So if you can't walk for a long time, then that's fine, you can park just right across the street. Okay, let's visit Saint-Michel then. So when you cross the street you see those stairs, easy stairs, are not too steep, so that's quite doable I guess. And that's where we're going. She's over there, Saint-Michel de Cuxa. It's a lovely day, not too hot, so if you're not being able to take those lovely stairs, then you can take a little detour like this one to avoid it. So there's the entrance, starting with a little souvenir shop, all kinds of things related to Saint-Michel de Cuxa and religion. Voila. Of course you need to buy a ticket, and it's €6, you see. This is the little souvenir shop I talked to you about. And then over there, there's the entrance. Bonjour. Now I've been here before, obviously, with my children and the children's choir of Saint Joseph. Okay, let's have a closer look outside then. There she is, Saint-Michel de Cuxa. And like I said, I know this church, I've been here before many times. The children's choir has sung here before. Gave a lovely little concert. And then afterwards we had a picnic in the park. So you see the surroundings. Bonjour.
Bonjour madame. Vous venez à la messe?
Non, je filme juste pour un vidéo, pour montrer tout ce qu'il y a dans le gonflant. Merci. There she is, Saint-Michel de Cuxa, and the beautiful surroundings. Well, that's it, Saint-Michel de Cuxa. If you like this video, then please thumbs up, leave a comment or ask questions anytime, any place. If you want to join me on Facebook, please do. There you can watch more videos, more photos, and do subscribe to support me and read the description, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.